What's up, team? Angela Gargano here, four-time American Ninja Warrior and pull-up expert. And today we're going to talk about what your pull-up should look like. Seriously, if you know what your pull-up is supposed to look like and the muscles you're supposed to be using, this is going to help you to actually get it. And it's not just lifting yourself over the bar, just pulling. There's so much more to the pull-up. Believe it or not, you actually use your entire body. You use your upper body, your core, and your glutes to get the proper pull-up form. In this video, we're going to go through everything you need to know with my technique that I like to call started from the bottom, now we here. If you like this video, don't forget to click and subscribe. And I also have a 6-day free pull-up guide that you can download, which is gonna go over even more techniques and full workouts for you to help improve your pull-up. So let's get right into it. So what the hell should your pull-up look like? So first of all, luckily for me, I have a nice low bar here because I'm pretty short. Your arms are gonna go up, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna jump up to the bar, and when you do, your hands are gonna be shoulder width apart here, okay? So just think about that when you go up. So what happens a lot of times is you might jump up, and you might jump up with your hands really close, right? And you might jump up with your arms really far, okay? Not saying that that's a wrong arm position, okay? But for the classic pull-up, which is the one you wanna master first, you wanna have shoulder width apart for your pull-up. So you'll jump up, okay? Once you jump up, now what's next? What the hell do I do with my thumbs? Where do my thumbs go? Do they go under the bar? Do they go over the bar? Okay, there's so much controversy on which one is better, okay? Honestly, it doesn't fully matter, okay? If you have your thumbs under the bar though, it is gonna help you activate your lats a little bit more, and it's also gonna be good if you're trying to improve into a muscle up or something like that. So having your thumbs around the bar could be super beneficial. But if it feels awkward and weird, you can totally have your thumbs over the bar. It's a very like gymnastics-y thing to do. So know that you have an option. I would try out a few. Try a few different techniques, okay? So again, let's go back. You jump up, okay? Your thumbs, let's say you put them underneath the bar, okay? Now what? You actually need to cross your feet behind you and squeeze your glutes. Yes, your glutes help to activate your lats. So literally squeeze your ass. Squeeze it, okay? Hold. If this feels weird for you and you're uncomfortable, you can also put your feet out in front of you, okay? Like a hollow hold position, flex your toes and have them here as well. But you need to make sure that you're squeezing your ass, okay? Because it's gonna help to actually activate your lats. Everything is connected, okay? So let's go back up. I'm going over this each time because I really wanna drill it into your head on exactly what it's supposed to look like. So let's go up again. Here, okay? Let's say you put your thumbs under the bar, okay? Cross your feet behind you, squeeze your glutes, okay? Everything is squeezing. Now you're gonna drive your elbows down to your rib cage. You're gonna drive them down to your rib cage, chin above the bar, hold. Okay, hold it up here, chin above the bar. And instead of just dropping down, you're gonna lower yourself down nice and slow, okay? So really important that we're going through all those things, okay? Now, I just showed you how to get all the way up in the form of the pull-up. Another really important thing that you should think about before even pulling up is making sure you're actually activating your lats, because what happens to a lot of people is they'll jump up, they'll do everything I just told them, okay, and then they're gonna pull with their shoulders, right? So you're gonna feel it all in your neck. So instead of doing that, make sure that you shrug first to activate the lats, shrug, and then drive the elbows down to the side, and then lower it down, okay? I know it's a lot to think about, but if you watch this video and you keep reviewing it and you do all the drills that I have in my pull-up guide, this is gonna feel simple, okay? But if you just jump up and you just try and do it and your hands are in a weird position and you're using your shoulder, it's gonna be really tough for you to really conquer that pull-up. So again, start from the bottom, now we're here, go back to the basics, break it down, really understand each part of the movement. Squeeze your ass, okay? Something that people don't ever do, and you will be able to conquer that pull-up. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you click subscribe, and you can also grab my free 6-day pull-up guide down in the comments. So hopefully this is helpful, and let's crush that pull-up.